Manipur Global Buyers and Sellers Summit 2025 concluded at City Convention Centre in Palace Compound today. The closing function was graced by Arunachal Pradesh MLA Toko Tatung, Chairman cum CMD of Babina Group of Companies Dr. Dabli and Director of Trade, Commerce and Industries Yumnam Robita as the main dignitaries. Notably, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala inaugurated the two-day summit, which was organized on the theme Bridging Business Sans Border under RAMP scheme. The event aims to foster medical institution, hospital industry, IT and service sectors in the state, besides exploring international markets for selling local products. Speaking at the closing function, Manipur Commerce and Industry Secretary Haurukcham Anil emphasized Manipur as a connecting point between India and Southeast Asia. He also stressed on the need for making collective efforts between the academicians and policymakers in reviving the state's economy, which has been severely affected by the ongoing crisis. Manipur Commerce and Industry President Dr. Basudev maintained that the summit aims to bring international market exposure for local products.
Land connect, amadi land route amu koi bina, lamdo masida high economic corridor land master chan ni home am sin sikari bomba amu hanu reactive pe tawra amu hana announce tawra gadi Manipur economy se ka bomba however the ya the masida academics, economics, policy makers me am sin kana bi aina thazza zabadi high version of economy strategy aso sabu ma masida bi ba ho Chamber and Commerce Secretary election. Senior organization, still young honey, I don't know, 100 congress, 100 plus in the Panjani, but target of vision single, very accomplished of Mahore, election.
Industrial Development Corporation, Kushan Naraga, RAM, initiative by the government of Ministry of MSME Makada program awareness program yam da entrepreneurs buyer and seller across the globe. The buyer seller is Kulcham when a people full white Yam Mapung Pavadumba or the buyer seller with the Ma when a Padokre Machina. Korkadoriba Pandam di Manipur di Pagi Killa Sariba Ego product Kange, handicraft Kange, bamboo Kange, state key product as a when I don't want Kangavan Madu marketing Natiana when a food Kange Kari the Kange when a Kaluriba Adum Bay and Chamanda the sort of Brian.